1. 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, $10,000. Surprise, Arizona. The 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova is a classic American compact car that's in good condition. This model is a two-door sedan with a six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The odometer is broken, but the car has been garage kept for 20 years, and the body is very clean and straight. There are a few spots of rust in the trunk and front floor pans. The car starts and runs, but will need the carburetor rebuilt. This Nova is a great project car for someone looking to restore a piece of Chevrolet history. Two, 1966 Ford Ranchero, $11,000, Kyle, Texas. The 1966 Ford Ranchero is a classic American car-truck hybrid that's in good condition. This model is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and features an automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, and the car has a clean title. The exterior is painted baby blue, and the car has recent upgrades, including new tires, a gas tank, fuel lines, fuel pump, and a rebuilt carburetor. The brakes are soft, and there is some rust, but this Ranchero is a unique and stylish classic that's ready to be driven and enjoyed. Three, 1969 Buick Skylark, $10,000, Ohio. The 1969 Buick Skylark is a classic American car that's in very good condition. This model is a four-door sedan with a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 78,000 miles, and the car has a clean title. The exterior is painted green, and the interior was redone about 6 years ago. The car has 20-inch gold spokes and Vogue tires. This Skylark is a great find for someone looking for a stylish and reliable classic car. Four, 1969 Ford Ranger F100, $11,000, Gemes Pueblo, New Mexico. The 1969 Ford Ranger F100 is a classic American pickup truck that's in good running condition. This model is powered by a 302 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission. The odometer is broken, but the truck can be driven. The dash is cracked, and there are holes in both doors where speakers were once installed. The truck needs some work, including brake adjustment and gauge repairs. This F100 is a great project truck for someone looking to restore a piece of Ford history. The 5, 1966 Ford Mustang V8 4-speed, $10,900, Antelope, California. The 1966 Ford Mustang is a classic American muscle car that's in good condition. This model is powered by a V8 engine and features a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer is broken, but the car has a new gas tank, a vinyl top in excellent shape, and 4-piston disc brakes. The paint is a 10-footer, and the gauges do not work. This Mustang is a great find for someone looking for a stylish and powerful classic car. Number 6, 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger, $13,750, Santa Clarita, California. The 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger is a classic American muscle car that's in good condition. This model is powered by a 440 V8 engine and features a 727 automatic transmission. The car has a narrow Dana 60 rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a 10-gallon RCI fuel cell. The exterior is painted red, and the car has fiberglass hood and bumpers. The windshield wipers are non-operational, and the paint has some chips and scratches. This Dart is a great find for someone looking for a powerful and unique classic car. 7. 1972 Datsun 240Z, $11,500, Hercules, California. The 1972 Datsun 240Z is a classic Japanese sports car that's in good condition. This model has 84,000 original miles and comes with a clean title. The car features a 5-speed manual transmission and is all original except for the transmission. The exterior is painted orange and the car has no rust. This 240Z is a great find for someone looking for a stylish and reliable classic sports car. 8. 1978 Ford F-350 Super Cab, $14,300, Washoe Valley, Nevada. The 1978 Ford F-350 Super Cab is a classic American pickup truck that's in fair condition. This model is powered by a 460 V8 engine and features a 4-barrel Holley carburetor, performance headers, and 3-inch dual exhaust. The odometer reads 115,000 miles, and the truck has a clean title. The body is straight, and the frame has been sanded down and coated with rust encapsulator. This F-350 is a great find for someone looking for a powerful and reliable classic truck. Nine. 1987 Chevy C20 long bed truck, $12,500. The 1987 Chevy C20 long bed truck is a classic American pickup that's in excellent condition. This model has 79,000 original miles and comes with a clean title. The truck is powered by a Chevy 350 engine and features an automatic transmission. The exterior has no rust or dents, and the interior is very nice. This C20 is a great find for someone looking for a well-maintained and reliable classic truck. Ten. 1980 Ford F-150 Stepside, 11,000 Damonette, Alabama. The 1980 Ford F-150 Stepside is a classic American pickup truck that's in good condition. This model is powered by a new 351 V8 engine and features a rebuilt transmission. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and the truck has a clean title. The truck has new exhaust, tires, and a remanufactured radiator. The interior needs to be finished, and there is some minor bodywork required. This F-150 is a great find for someone looking for a stylish and powerful classic truck. 11. 1985 GMC 2500 High Sierra 4x4, 11,500, Winchester, Virginia. The 1985 GMC 2500 High Sierra 4x4 is a classic American pickup truck that's in excellent condition. This model is powered by a 350 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck runs very well with no smoking or sputtering. The exterior is painted blue, and the interior is original. This High Sierra is a great find for someone looking for a well-maintained and reliable classic truck.